Exercise 54. In the figure above, line D is parallel to BC. Okay. BD, all that is 3.6. DA is 2.4. BC is 8. What is the length of D? Okay. So 3.6. Let's draw this one, the big one, ABC. This is B, this is C, this is A. The AB is 3.6 plus 2.4, it's going to be 6. This is going to be 6. Here it is 8. And then we have the smaller one, which is 2.4 here, and we don't know here. They are similar since they have the same angles. They have A as a common one, D is the same as B because they are corresponding since DE and BC are parallel. So 6 over 2.4 is equal to 8 over x. With a cross multiplication, we get that 6x is 8 times 2 to the power 4. And finally, 8 times 2 comma 4, sorry, not 2 to the power 4, over 6. Let me use my calculator for that. 8 times 2.4 and all that over 6, the answer is 3.2, which makes B the right choice for this exercise.